if you are very sensitive toward data and data privacy and still using Chrome, then I would suggest you should look out some other alternate browser. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham, and in this video I am going to talk about a browser which is for the people like us who really do not want it to get tracked by these tech giants now these days, and then add AI to it. You can imagine what they can do with your data. So in this video I am going to talk about a browser that will help you to avoid this to happen. And actually I will talk about both Windows and Mac, despite I am currently using Windows here. And before actually we proceed further, if you are new to this channel, I would suggest you to consider subscribe to Technoholic Plus, as we keep on bringing these kind of videos that will deliver real-time impact in your day-to-day life. Alright, so let me show you how we can download and install the browser. For that, let's click here on this Windows button and type EDGE, which is nothing but Microsoft Edge browser. And by the way, if you are using Mac, as I was saying, that we're going to talk about both type of users. For them, in most of scenario, Safari does great job because advertising is not the revenue model of Apple. So if you are using Safari, you are already doing great in terms of securing yourself. But if you do not like Safari, then follow us along, as I'm gonna show you how you can download and install it. So the browser that today I am talking about is from open source and known as Libre Wolf. Libre Wolf, I would say, is a flavored version of Firefox, and I intentionally chosen this particular one because this one is based on Firefox, not Chromium, because Chromium, as we know, is also open source but is backed by Google. Alright, so let's click here on this Libre Wolf, which will take you to this site, and then from here you need to click on installation, and from here you can see there is a Windows link, there is a Mac OS link, and a various distro of Linux. So based on the OS you have, you can download it simply by clicking on the icon. Okay, so just click on that icon, and then here we can see the link is there. Hit on that link, and then the process of download will start. After you successfully downloaded it, simply install it, and then you should be able to find it in your application. In case of Windows, all you need to do is you need to simply click on Windows button and now type Libre Wolf. Now, if you want it to be pinned, like in my case where the Libre Wolf always remain in taskbar, you can simply click on pin to taskbar. Since I already have pinned, that's why it is showing me unpinned. Now, actually I unpinned it. Again, if I go search for Libre Wolf, I can pin it to taskbar. Now let me open it, and as soon as you will open it, you will be welcomed by yet another very privacy focused search engine, which is DuckDuckGo. So the search engine choice itself kind of shows this browser commitment to be neutral and privacy focused. So let me type here Technoholic, and here you can see my channel name Technoholic Plus, and here I can see the result of which is ad free, and of course the trackers are also being blocked by this browser, which is great, I would say. If you want to have AI based answer, then you can click on search assist, and here you will see DuckDuckGo is also providing AI based answers, which of course may not look that powerful when compared to Google Chrome. But hey, come on, this is privacy focused browser, and people like me will appreciate who want more privacy. And maybe in future you're gonna see me utilizing this browser more and more compared to Google Chrome. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. Please feel free to ask if you have got any question related to this browser. Let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.